Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Today is Monday, March 30th, and it is, drumroll, day 1 of virtual learning. I just wanted to jump on and create this video to help ease some of the anxiousness and nervousness we have about virtual learning and to answer some of those questions that you may have. So, we will be doing virtual learning for 10 days, 9 days really, all the way up until Easter break. And we don't know what is going to happen after Easter break, so we're just going to take it day by day right now. Okay? So a couple things. For science, there are a couple cool things, and I'm just going to walk you through Canvas, where to find everything, what to expect in this video, and everything like that. So under the Science tab in Science, we're going to start with our Announcements tab. Every day there will be an announcement posted, and in the announcement itself, it's going to tell you exactly what to be doing that day for the lesson and the activity that you have for that day. And it's going to be nothing more. We're not asking you to spend any more than 30 minutes a day on a subject. So they're going to be little activities. I know one day you're going to be taking a scavenger hunt walk. One day you're interviewing somebody. Today's activity is you're actually going to be going through the national parks list and picking out your national park that you want and filling out the Google form to pick it. But there'll be another video on that I'll post. So every day there's going to be a little video, maybe an activity, links, everything will always be in that announcement for that day. So you don't have to go click 1,000 other places. So first step, always check announcements for science every day to see what you should be doing. The second thing that we're going to look through is our assignments. Now, every day you're going to have a different activity, and we're going to be posting that activity under the assignments for you to submit to us. So we can see who is doing the work, who's not doing the work, who we should reach out to, etc., etc. So our assignments are still going to be staying the same. The third tab that we're going to look at is discussions. We will be using discussions in science a lot. Those are the 3 in science that we're really going to focus on. We're going to be focusing on announcements, assessments, and assignments, and discussions. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, Miss Linsmeyer, how can I stay in touch with you during this whole virtual learning? There's a couple ways that you can do it. The first way is you can always click on this little icon right here on Canvas and inbox will pop up. You can email me on Canvas directly. You can email me through Gmail, and right here is my email address. So you can email me through Gmail this way as well. And then the third way, which is kind of cool, is Google Hangout. Now, if you notice, there's no tab in our Science Canvas for Google Hangout. So we're actually going to find our Google Hangout for Science and Math under the Math tab. And right at the top, you'll see Office Hour Google Hangouts. Now, you can click on that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. When you click on Open this tab, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you'll see yourself, hey! Okay, now it's really important that you hit Join. Now this Google Meet is only available every day from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. or noon. Okay, so let's say you had a question about your national parks and you wanted to reach out and talk to me about it. You would go into Canvas, click on your Math tab, then click on Google Meet Hangout, click on the link, and this would pop up, and then you click Join, and then you could talk to me. Okay, but reminder, this is only available from 9 a.m. to noon. The third way that you guys can see if I'm available is go to your calendar in Canvas, and you will see that I have office hours posted here. So, and then I even put all caps where to find and how to get into that Google Meets. Okay. The other thing I wanted to talk about in science is a couple expectations and norms. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit on this. Okay. So there's a couple expectations. One, we will be creating a slideshow. We already have the slideshow created, and we're going to share it with you that has all the important information for this national parks unit. So we will be using that slideshow to gather evidence and research and compare them and use them for the discussions and everything like that. Okay. After you pick your national park, you are actually going to be creating a Google presentation, kind of like our invasive species project. And guess what? That is actually going to be coming up later this week in virtual learning. We're going to be setting up our Google presentations and getting you started on that. This is probably the big one. There are going to be daily tasks that you have to complete each day for science. Okay, the tasks for the week, again, for the week, will be due Sunday at 3. So, for example, any tasks that you get this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, are going to be due Sunday by 3 p.m. Okay, so any assignment from March 30th through April 3rd will be due Sunday, April 5th by 3 p.m. And we're not asking you to spend an hour on any assignment or task. We're asking you for 30 minutes a day, and I think that's manageable. Okay? So, a couple things I just really want to emphasize in this video is that when you're in Canvas, every day you're looking in the announcement tab to see what you have to do for that day. Then any assignment, again, will be just put in the assignment box. We will be using the discussions tab a lot. And if you would like to do a Google Hangout with me, you actually have to go into your math course to click on the office hour Google Hangout. I hope that helped, and I hope that you guys have a great first day of virtual learning. I will be here on Google Hangout, and we can chat then. Thanks, guys. Bye.